Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to the first episode of The Informant, Primary Edition.
It's the informant, no snitch, but I'm bringing the news. These talks are global pandemic, stolen no relics, things have gone hell.
Firstly, we are going to teach you how to make money. First of all, you have to know that everything you buy is either a product or a service. To understand all of that, we are going to have a battle between Mr. Product and Mrs. Service. Mr. Product, why don't you tell us about yourself?
Hi, my name is Zaid, and I'm Mr. Product. I'm something you buy and something you can touch. I can be stored, you can make many duplicates of me, and I can be returned or replaced. Take that, services!
Hey, I'm Annie. I'm a service. My job is doing something that you pay for, and I'm invisible. I'm different for every customer and can change to your liking. I don't go out of date, unlike a product.
Phew, that was a close battle. Now let's look at the summary. Okay, now we've understood that everything we buy is either a product or a service. Now, we will introduce our next challengers. Revenue versus cost.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm revenue. I'm the money a business makes from selling products and services. For example, if you sell a cake for 100 dirhams, you have 100 dirhams revenue. Ka-ching.
But wait, you forgot about my part. I am cost, and I'm the money you have to spend to make a product or a service. For example, your birthday cake that you sold, how did you make it? You need eggs, flour, baking powder, and sugar so your cake is as sweet as me. One final cost that people forget is the time and effort it takes to make this birthday cake.
Wow, guys, okay, I'm impressed. But you forgot who's the star of the show. Profit. I'm profit. I'm the difference between costs and revenue. For example, if the revenue for your birthday cake is 100 dirhams, and to make your birthday cake it's 75 dirhams, you get a 25 dirham profit.
Okay, great job, guys. Now everyone knows what products and services are and what revenue, costs, and profit is. But wait, before you go, we have some examples. Over to you, Mr. B.
Okay, so for our first example, let's look at Nike. Now we all know what Nike sell. You got basketballs, really cool tracksuits, trainers, and lots of other sporting goods. Now that's where they make their revenue. So all of the things that they sell will count as revenue. But what about their costs? So the things that they have to spend money on would be the rubber for the trainers, the cotton for the tracksuits, and don't forget about all those hard-working employees that are actually making the trainers and the tracksuits. So that's example number one. Example number two, let's look at a service. Now, Deliveroo is a great example. So where do they make their revenue? Well, it would be from delivering the food from the restaurant right into your belly. But what about their costs? So their costs would be things like petrol, paying the drivers, and maybe anything like advertising or marketing. And what they're left with is profit. But a little challenge for you. What if, let's say Nike or Deliveroo, spent more money on their costs than they received for their revenues? What would they be left with?
Thank you for watching, and see you on the next episode of The Informant.
It's the informant, no snitch, but I'm bringing the news. These talks are global pandemic, stolen no relics, things have gone hellish.